So it's today is Sunday morning, 11th April 2026. So we are on a ride with Ducati Group for the ride is called Desmo and Dials. So we are going on our bikes to Bannerghatta Road, Shopper Stop, Titan Showroom, wherein we have ordered all our Ducati watches, which is to be delivered today. So we have a meet at VFM, and then from there we'll be proceeding towards Titan in Bannerghatta Road to pick up the watches. So it is a ride come delivery event today. So I'm already late, supposed to be there at 6:30. No, it's almost 6:45. Be there in another 10 minutes time. So right towards VFM, Desmo and Dials on 11th April 2026. So let's get the Chigi cameras also active. So I'm on Ventnal Road now. So on the way to VFM. So way to VFM and then for the event. So 9 o'clock is the breakfast. Then meeting and greeting, ride, breakfast, all that is the agenda. So let's go. So on Old Airport Road now. Golden and clear wires are on the right hand side. So that's it for now. Catch you up when I'm reaching VFM, and then I'll let you know what else is happening today. Bye for now. Near Baldwin Girls School now. VFM here 7:02 the time is. I think they have just rolled off 2-3 minutes back, so I got delayed. So I'll be going following the route map. I'll be going now. Let me put the map first, otherwise it will be difficult. The dog is sitting on the tank. Yes. Nice. Look at him sitting in the cute guy. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi everybody. Hi. Hi. Hello. Matthew. Yeah, good. I'm Matthew. Hi. Fine, thank you.
Thank you for making it early in the morning.
Yeah. No, this is not very early for us. We leave at 5 o'clock and all 4:35. But this we went countryside, we saw all forest area and all, and came back. It was nice fun riding.
He's been, with DOC for quite some time.
Oh, I see. Yeah. I think I have seen you.
You seen me in Goa?
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe. Right.
See, everybody knows you, Sachin.
You see him, you see the bike, you can't forget.
You are not the only one saying this. Everybody says this.
It's a very unique spot.
So, Nikhil, hi. Hello, sir. How are you? Sukandar, huh? All nice.
These are his house bikers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's a chap. He's a record holder. He's multiple record holder. He's you cannot forget him.
Thank you, sir.
Allah. Yeah.
I work with Nikhil.
I see. Oh.
I report to him.
So, boss and all together. Achha, good.
You can steal, yeah. What you anyways get for a very small price is the subscription which is expensive. Yeah. It's like 5K. Oh, subscription is the one expensive. 5K.
Hi, boss. How are you? Chetan is not coming?
He's coming. He's on
After
his way.
the monster ride, huh? Monster ride or what?
No. He's coming from here only.
Oh,
He's coming.
okay.
Yeah, I got it here.
So in abroad, no, how it works is it's a very small price in the starting, but the subscription fee is very high.
Very high. Yeah, that's right.
It's like almost $1,500 per month. That's how they changed it for the Indian market. Right. For Indian market, there is a little more upfront money. For foreign market, it's very high.
In the US, they get a 1 month trial.
Less complicated.
You can wear one and one.
Why I like forest.
Or the inside that gives no insides are so good.
Better than the.
So, this is Bannerghatta Road Shopper Stop. Everybody is assembling here.
Everything you can do only on the phone. Check only on the phone. It's like a smart ring. If it moves away from ECG, meaning there is a standard limit. There's a
Even this happens. That's your.
no. We get a notification.
So now everybody is walking towards the launch.
Nice, yeah. They've done too many things.
Good.
So that's your breakfast.
Oh, lovely.
As long as there's Italy inside.
Let me take one pic. Cake to cut. Ducati logo. Oh, Saka. Yeah.
Such my passion. Collection of watches, glasses, pens,
So why don't you come
bike
and
also I have, but he told not to bring my bike here. He's my student from my coach and my team decision. He is in that's what I in India. Fantastic. I also keep doing some events like this for the fantastic. I didn't want to bring my Harley, but don't bring the Harley. One sir. Chetan, you can come forward. Okay. Come forward. Hi.
Okay.
Starts the photo.
Oh, lovely.
Let's get through it.
दुपाती में नहीं इनॉग्रेशन ये घड़ी है ना सर अभी हम ये पहले बोलते ये नहीं पहना पूरा आगे डिवीजन है वही क्या लाता नहीं हूँ वो लेके 10 साल हो गया उसमें मेरे घर से 150 किलोमीटर अभी गैलरी में अभी और कुछ खरीदा कुछ कमिटमेंट आ गया
So boys, take a look in the wall. Another 10-15 minutes we'll go have breakfast, and after that we will pick up our
Which one? Shriyans 48.
Oh, nice.
Which is not an emotion.
Yeah, anymore. Oh, sir.
You go on the road, you can see and one I have taken is almost supporting several Valentine's Day I have taken. And he is a good friend of mine.
You are spending more time on the fuel station.
He goes for repair and that was can't go in the fourth is the gear.
That used to be my wallpaper. When I was young, yeah. The 48, that's so beautiful.
Actually, what happened is like when I polished it,
So these are the Ducati watches here.
Can you show me the one you?
I was going to checking it out.
This has one, which is similar.
No, this is the multi-function.
Okay. Right here. Can you show me the black one? Was there somewhere?
Huh? Yeah, correct. You're touring it. I'll just get my watch. This is mine.
Okay.
Which one? The one just now you gave.
Yeah.
Yeah. 4105, no? Yeah.
4104.
5, not 4.
410.
There's only one piece. One is he's wearing.
So this is again, so this is how you read the hour. So the hour is on the 9 o'clock minute, and the inner disk is the minutes disk. So this is how the minutes goes, and this is the chronograph start stop. So if you look at it, the seconds are ticking and the minute is ticking here. I stop this chronograph and I reset it.
Okay.
So it becomes 0-0 again. So if you want to tap your lines, you just want to like see how long the meeting is going. You fundamentally just do a start stop. And this is the most iconic, the bullhead model.
This finish is what actually?
So it's a PVD coating.
Okay, so it will not scratch.
All stainless steel 316L PVD coating.
No scratches and all, no?
Scratches of course with usage, but like not general scuffs.
Box is different.
It's a high quality PVD coating.
Okay.
So this is multifunction.
This is the multi-function.
dual
which
time.
shows two times, yeah. 2 times and a date.
That's it.
Yeah. And the stripe is slightly different, so it has nylon and silicone blend. That one is leather and silicone.
So this inside model of the display actually can't
So
see properly.
fundamentally, the hour hand is the how you see the time on this one. The hour hand points to a certain
White
place,
one, right.
and the inner disc shows you the minute. So there's a small arrow if you look at on top of the date window that shows you where the minute is.
Okay.
And these ones are chronograph functions. So this is your chronograph is started. So your seconds you can tap from here, and this will move when the minute is complete. It goes up till 60 minutes, and you stop it from here, and then you reset it like this.
Oh, there, huh?
So this is chronograph start stop, and this is reset.
Okay.
And the hour hand and the inner disc shows you the minute.
The minutes here. So the white one is the hour.
The other red.
This one?
We were showing is with the leather with it.
What is special about this watch? Sorry.
No, the hour here, the minute here, chronograph and all that. No, reset, all that you can do.
All of them are chrono. The same thing. These are all.
So there's a button here, button here.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is mine. I will need to make the balance. So this how I do come later or billing now? Do it now?
22
You close it up. Yeah, bill it.
20.
So after the event at Shopper Stop, Bannerghatta Road, now all the boys are rolling back home. So you can see the bikes lined up here. So,
See you then, Saji.
bye, nice meeting you. See you. We'll keep meet on rides.
Wear the watches, make people jealous.
Yeah, yeah, lovely.
Thank you so much, sir.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸೇರಿ 45.
I like your name, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೆಸರೇನು
Venkatesh, sir.
ಓ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹಾಂ ಸೊ ನಿಖಿಲ್ അപ്പം see you. So 69 Wanderlust, thank you very much for arranging in a very nice, beautiful way. It's nice to being associated with Titan. Titan I have been associated long back. I have a lot of Titan watches at home also. So let's keep the spirit up and continue the riding spirit, including Titan, Ducati, all that together. Kana, all the best. Thank you. Bye. So see you. Bye. See you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Very well organized. Thank you. See you then. Chaldo, you will be there for some time, no? Okay. Take care. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye.
When you come to showroom?
Showroom I'll come. I need to take my pants also. I don't know whether it is ready.
I think you're not seeing any riding Hayabusa anyway.
Where?
I mean, not in the videos anyway.
Videos? No. Now recently I had gone one separate is there. I'll send it to you. Okay. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸಿ ಯು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಾಂ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಲೇನಡಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ ನೋಡೋಣ ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್ Bye, Rajat. Thanks, yaar. Lot of hard work.
Yeah.
Very well executed. Superb. Any help required, let me also know.
Few ride once on this side of the town. You come. I'll take you to a really nice road.
Good.
Let's
Let's do it. No problem. Chalo, bye. Take care. Bye. Bye, madam. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Very nice experience here at Shopper Stop. You're all in the same place, na? Shopper Stop. Good. All the best. Very well organized also. So nice. Yeah. I keep buying. My family and all. We Garuda Mall, there is one, no? That's close to my house. So I do that. Purchase. I get my reimburse all my points and all. Points you get in the cards. No, I reimburse Shopper Stop vouchers. And all my clothing and all I purchase like that only. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you. Okay, sir. Bye. JP Nagar 4th phase this was. So finished the event. Now going back to my home. Take a U-turn here and go. So all done and dusted. Shopper stop.